Why does it bend differently every time? Why?
Hi, boss. Is this the bending effect we want to achieve?
How do you achieve this bending effect?
The secret lies in that machine.
What is it?
It is our company's roll bending machine, A12T.
How can it bend in profile so perfectly?
Easy, let me show you how to do it.
First, you only need to input the value in this operating system, and it will automatically generate a program to help you bend the desired shape. Second, just press this button, and it will start to bend.
Wow, amazing! I need to buy it now.
Clef, a reliable partner for all your bending needs.